What's up, guys? I want to show you a quick method on how to manage a large piece of film if you're out doing a mobile install. What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you, like I always do, for everyone subscribing, everyone checking out the channel. Also, thank you guys that participated in my clapped out 2001 Chevy Silverado video. You guys commented down below. Like I said, man, I'm gonna try to do things like that, do giveaways to try to help people out and to give back to those that are supporting my channel. But this is just a quick video to show people how to manage large pieces of film if you're out doing mobile. Now, this is my garage. If you remember before, it was all gray. My wife painted it all white, so that is all good. It looks really good in here now. But when you're out doing mobile, you might not have the setup that you have in your shop. So what I typically like to do, find something that's a tall object, like this thing, for example. So what I do is I like to just unroll my film, I measure it, and then I can roll it out on the car. Typically I do this for back glasses, or I do this for visor strips, because I like to do the visor strips. Usually a visor strip is about 60 inches tall when you're doing that, so you want a nice clean place to unroll it. So I like to find something that's taller than me, and I can just unroll the film and measure it out and get it on the glass, so I'm not pulling the box or nothing like that. So let me guys show you just a quick little method for managing large pieces of film. So basically what I like to do, I mean, most back windows are about 48 inches across. So I usually bring it down, I measure 24 inches. I bring it down so I can find the halfway point in between the film for a 40-inch back window. I bring it down, I roll it up, I cut it. I have that roll. I can go right over to the vehicle, unroll it on there, no kinks, no mess ups in your film, no trying to grab the big heavy box and cut it and all stuff like that around the customer's car. You do all your cutting over there, you bring it right to the car. Like I said before, I know there's probably a lot of different ways. This is one way that I do it. I found that works really well. I just have this tall cabinet in here. Sometimes you could put maybe a shelf up on the wall and use a shelf and bring it down too. But when you're doing mobile, you're kind of at the sake of the person's house, wherever you go. So, like I said before, man, if you like this content, give it a thumbs up, smash that subscribe button, hit that bell so you do not miss any notification. I appreciate you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Until then, stay faded. Peace.